I'd like to show you how to download and install Google Chrome. Google Chrome is Google's browser, and since we are a G Suite organization, you will probably find that Google Chrome actually works better with many of the tools that we use both internally and externally here at CCS. So in order to do this, we're going to go in and we're going to download Chrome just by going, first of all, clicking on Microsoft Edge or the browser that you have installed here. I'm doing this on a Windows machine, so I'm just going to do Chrome. We're just going to do Chrome download, and once we get that, we should go ahead and click on download now. And this is going to bring us to a little box. It's just going to say download Chrome. You can uncheck this box if you want to regarding sending analytics. So we'll go ahead and we're going to run this little sub program here, which is then going to go in the background and download Chrome to your local machine. So we'll go ahead and click on got it, and there we go. That little download is there. We'll go ahead and click on yes. And we'll wait on Chrome to finish downloading. Now that Chrome has finished downloading, it will begin an automatic install feature. And this installation should not take very long, just a matter of a few seconds, depending upon how fast your computer is. And now you should have Chrome downloaded to your machine. You will notice down here in the taskbar that Chrome is visible. And in order to keep that in that taskbar, you should be able to two-finger click. It's hopefully going to let me do that. There we go, and then we can go pin to taskbar. And so now we're going to keep Chrome pinned to the taskbar, and it should pop up there. Now, there's a second part to this where we're going to need to sign into Chrome. One of the things that Chrome gives us the advantage of doing is creating different profiles. So I want to create a school profile for Chrome. And in order to do this, I'm just going to click up here in the top bar, or into the address bar right here, and I'm going to click on that little person there. And then I'm going to click on Turn on Sync. When I do that, it's going to give me the option to sign into Chrome using a Google address. You can do this for as many Google addresses as you have, but let me caution you, you want to use this little icon right up here in order to sign in. So I'm going to go ahead and sign on as my ccsk12.com address. We'll go ahead and we're going to click on go ahead and sign into my password. And then I'm going to get a couple of prompts here. I do want to link data, and it may end up asking me another one. Yes, we want to go ahead and turn on sync. And what this is going to do is this is going to sync any data that I have signed in under this same profile. Okay, and you're going to notice now that I have two pictures of me. This right here controls your profile in Chrome. Okay, and this right here controls who you are signed in with inside that profile. So for instance, if I wanted to add another profile to Chrome, I could just go up here and I could add another person, and then say I could add my personal Gmail to that. And that way my personal email or my personal Gmail, my personal Google account will not be crossed with my school account. So that's the way that we sign into Chrome, and you will now notice that I can automatically sign in to Canvas. So I can go ahead and click on that. That should go ahead and get me signed into Canvas here. And you'll notice that my dashboard is going to pop up there and you'll be signed in. Also, any other services with which you use Google to sign in, you can now do so using your school your school account. So anyway, that's how we download Chrome and install it, and then sign in with a Chrome profile. You'll want to stay tuned for future videos where we teach you how to leverage Chrome a little bit more within the CCS environment.